Hey guys, welcome in. So we're starting some new member-only perks. Member-only perks, and you got to be a member to receive the perks. So it's going to be a great time. It's going to be a fun time, but you need to be a member first. So I'm going to walk you through how to become a member. So I have my browser open. There is a join button. The join button is accessible on phone, PC, whatever you're watching this stream from. There is a join button. It says join. You're going to click on this. This right here is to become a paid member. So these paid members have access to the member perks. New member perks are coming. We will give you details on those. They will be listed down below. But paid members do get access to these perks. Also, we have gifted members. So every month, we have 10 gifted memberships to hand out to subscribers. So, you must subscribe to the channel to qualify, but you also must be eligible to receive gifted memberships. So, in order to receive gifted memberships, you're going to click join. Now, these are paid. Up here, there's 3 dots. You're going to click your 3 dots and go to gift membership settings. So, when you go into here, gift, you'll get 1 month. You could receive 1 month. So this just enters you into the draw. So it's completely random amongst all the subscribers who have this feature turned on. You have to have this feature turned on or you're not eligible at all to receive these. So this is off. This is on. So make sure that it's lit up blue. It is turned on. So by turning this on, you could receive gifted memberships from any channel that you're subscribed to. So you could receive 1 month membership from channels you interact with, including Aaron Ryan, the best channel. So if you want to receive gifted memberships to be able to view our member-only content, join, pay, right here. That's the paid option up here is to turn on gifted memberships. So make sure that this is turned on before we do our draws, guys. You need this turned on to be eligible for the draws. If it's not turned on, you can't win. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you have gifted memberships turned on. Or click the paid option. So the member-only content is only for members. So if you want in to the most awesome exclusive content, you need to become a member. But yeah, we're still going to have our regular content, but we're going to have some exclusive member-only content as a member perk moving forward. It's going to be a good time. So good luck, guys. Hopefully, anybody who wants a membership gets a membership. I hope so. It's going to be fun. So we'll see you later. Make sure that you turn that on, okay? Hopefully that helps. Turn that on. Okay, see you guys.